Shattered backboard leather. That's all we care about. What's good YouTube, Ash Bash, back again with another episode of Ash Bash Waffles on. And today's subject is about sneaker materials. So I'll say straight off the bat, I'm guilty of it as well. I always go on and on and on about, ooh, this suede is buttery. It changes colour when you touch it. Ooh, this leather, is it shattered backboard? Oh no, it feels a bit plasticky. But really, does it matter that much? Do people really care at the end of the day? Because all these Jordan 1s, for example, have come out. Some are good materials, like these sails. Leather on it is dope, like worldwide everybody knows Jordan 1 sails, dope material. But you get some that come out, they're a bit like plasticky. People should do reviews and they say like, the leather's not all that, but still rocking it on feet, still taking pics, they still look dope as fuck. So in the grand scheme of things, does it matter? If we're gonna buy it anyways, why do we care so much about the material? Kind of a strange one. Like, as I said, I always think about it. Every time I do a review, I'm like super gassed if the material is really nice. But if it's not really nice, I still wear it, I still get on with it. So, end of the day, it doesn't matter because I'm gonna rock it anyways and it looks okay. So it's not a big deal. But it kind of comes down to, it's your money at the end of the day. And with Jordans, for example, not to pick on Jordan brand, but I don't know why the quality goes up, down, left, right, depending on what release they're gonna bring out. Like I remember early pictures of the bread toe 1s. You could see the side panel looked a bit tumbled. People were like, oh, these are gonna be sick quality, super gassed. And then the game rolls came out and people were like, doesn't look like it's as good as the bread toes. But does the shoe look good? Yes. You're gonna cop it still? Yes. The materials was great, it's a plus. If the materials aren't great, you're not gonna send them back most likely. So why does it matter so much? What pisses me off is the fact that Jordan brand is going up and up and up in prices. Like the fact that the Jordan 3s are like 170? 160, 170, whatever it is. It's crazy high and too high. Like, I don't think any Jordan should cost over 130 unless there's some super special pack or something like that. But the thing is, the price is going up, but the quality of leather oftentimes is going down. So in that case, it makes sense why people get pissed off. I'd get pissed off as well. Like, luckily the Tinkers, I think they were 180, 190, whatever it is. For that price, you want good material, and I think personally the material is pretty nice on that. But if they brought those out and they were like some plasticky leather, I think people would be going absolutely bonkers about it. So, as I said, kind of matters, kind of doesn't matter. But if you're going to be giving us higher prices and expecting us to pay a premium for these kicks, at least give us premium materials. For some reason, brands like Saucony can bring out the most fire materials at all times. And they're obviously a smaller company. Their budget's nowhere near as big. I guess they're not making as many pairs, so that might be the reason why. But pretty much every Saucony sneaker is super duper fire. You get a pair that's suede, you know the suede's going to be super duper on point. You get a pair of Jordans that are suede, you're like, not expecting this to be good, but if it happens to be good, it's a bonus. It shouldn't be like that. Like I got the recent yellow ochre ones. Who knows what they're going to be like. Luckily that material is not too bad, but there's been some other Jordans, I can't remember what they're called, the black Jordan 4s with the gold little tags on it, whatever they are. That material was just trash, super, nothing special at all. And you're charging like 130, 150 pounds for them. So what's going on there? But as I said, if we're still gonna buy it, we're still gonna rock it, these companies ain't gonna change their opinion and say, oh, we need to actually up these levels to get these people to buy. People are buying so much, the hype is so crazy right now. They can release anything and then we're just gonna pick it up. If they released the new Yeezys and the material was trash compared to the old ones, people will still be buying it. Resale probably go down a little bit, but the stock that they're gonna sell is still gonna be the same. It's not gonna change. So, I don't know. In the end of the day, does it matter? It matters to me, in a sense, because I like the materials to be better, and I'd like for my big boy money that I'm paying, for them to sort of like give me value for money, but I know that's just not how it's going to be. It's going to be whatever they decide, the company, whatever, however they go. I'd love to speak to them one day and find out the process, how they decide what sort of material they're going to pick for each shoe. I've got a variety. I wish I could be bothered to take them all out. I've got a variety of Jordan 1s. Some are fire, some are super trash. Some feel like plastic, some feel like super nice leather. Why? Just be consistent. Salute to the watermelon Air Max 1s that came out recently. They retailed for £100 and the materials are pretty on point for that. So I like what Nike's doing with that. Hopefully they keep that up with all their other trainers that they bring out. But Jordan Brand are gonna keep signaling you guys out. Make sure your materials are gonna be fire if you're gonna be charging us these crazy prices. What I think kind of is a different sort of material thing that matters is the soles of the shoe. I've seen that become more of a topic lately, especially with the Nike's Epic React Flyknits that have come out. Nike sort of competition for Boost. I've got my pair, I rock them pretty frequently in the gym. They're holding up all right at the moment, but I did notice after like a couple wears, the tread pattern on the bottom was just going. It doesn't seem to be as bad now for some reason, but at first it was getting flat like real quick. And I saw a couple people in the comments for my sneaker review, and they were saying that they returned them because it was just ridiculous going so quickly. But reading up on like Nike about how they come up with the whole React thing, they did crazy tests for years and years and years, all this R&D, and the longevity of it was like one of the big things that they hyped up about the whole like React in the first place. So the fact it's going away so quickly on some people's sneakers, that's a bad sign. I know I've got some Ultra Boost that I've rocked literally probably 4 or 5 times a week since I got them, which is probably like 2 years ago. And they're still sort of surviving. So I know Boost and their Continental soles hold up, but will Nike and React last the test of time? I don't know. But we shall see when it comes to the sole units and all that. Anywho, another episode of Ash Bash Waffles on. This is a short one today on a quick little subject. Follow me on Instagram, Ash Bash Sneakers. On Twitter, it's Perfection7. Videos every single Monday about a sneaker topic, could be about anything, and sneaker reviews as and when a buy kicks. Anywho, I'm out. Later.